Deadlocks here again with take 2 of the HIATT. Trying to get out of them using the Parker pick. You will either have seen or will see the reason why it's take 2.
Because you return it?
Yes.
You're doing it right this time?
Yes.
You're positive?
Pretty sure. Get a bit tighter. Throw on the key away though. So there. Double locked.
That top makes your arms look muscly.
Oh, my arms make my arms.
Shut up.
Really. There's the double lock taken care of. Why are you showing us up?
So why are you showing yourself up? Don't blame the locks or the keys. Put a dent in my finger.
There is a little bit of luck involved with getting out of these, because the triple paw, you have to manage to catch all 3 at the same time, and usually I get it quicker than this, but you know, curse of the camera and everything.
Yep, blame the camera. Always the camera's fault, never the one behind the camera.
That's always the one behind the camera. Never the person in front of the camera.
Don't blame me.
There we go. And that's me free.
Yay!
Now I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so we'll start off with double lock that. It's double locked. This is how I got the HIATT folding rigids open. I went in,
I like the yellow light.
pointing down, lean back, twist until it stops, and kind of twist and push the Parker pick, and that's your double lock off. The next bit is got a little bit of luck involved. I've found if you put your pick straight in at the bottom of the keyway, lean back, then push the key, the pick down like that, so it's sitting in the keyway like that, and then twist it, and it takes a couple of attempts, but there you go, I had it, but then it stopped on my finger.
Yeah.
There you go.
Lame the finger.
That's how I got out of the HIATT using the Parker pick.
Woohoo!
That's all from us. See you next time.